Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel of Manthan Counseling Center. Hope you are healthy and safe in your places. And today I am here again back with you people to share some tips with you. Tips on how to strengthen your relationship, how you can have a smooth ride in your relationship and how well you can bond with your partner. So here it is. The first thing to strengthen your relationship is to communicate. Communication plays a really important role in your life. It's not only about relationship, but wherever you are, if you are working, if you are communicating with your parents, your siblings, your spouses, anywhere, communication plays a really important role. Whatever it is, a small thing, a big thing, things that you really feel like that can affect your relationship, communicate with your partner and try to sort it out. By communicating, you can delete half of your problems in your life. Second is respect. Respect your partner in your relationship, in his workspace, in his personal space. Respect. If you will give respect, you will receive respect from your partner as well. Create boundaries with your partner. Set a boundary with them that this is my personal space and I want that personal space in my relationship so that I can grow in my life. Be clear with your boundaries in your relationship, whatever it is, whether it's with the workspace or whether it's your personal life or anything else. Set boundaries in your relationship. Be committed to each other. No matter what you are busy in your work, that if you have made a commitment to your partner, please try to stick to it. It will really help to strengthen your relationship and it will help you to try to understand your partner as well. Be a support to your partner. Not only mentally but also emotionally and financially. So there are times when sometimes there are ups and lows in your relationship. Try to support them. Be a support to your partner and tell them that no matter what, I am just standing right next to you and being there always with you in each and every situation. Stay connected to your partner. Like not just staying connected, like just sitting next to them or going for a drive or dinner, but stay connected throughout. Like let's go and hang out with your friends, what's going on with your life, what's going at your workspace, what do you want to do today, let's something do interesting. Stay connected in all the possible manner that you can do with your partner. Well, listen to your partner. Whenever your partner is speaking, just don't say like yes, no, listen to them. Whatever they are saying is really important, okay? And by listening to them, there are times that you can connect to your partner really well and that can give a solution to your partner. There will be another perspective of things to see and that can really help your partner to look at the things at a different way. Try to relate and understand them. Whenever they are sharing something, when they are talking to you, try to relate to them. Try to understand that what they are going through and what they are trying to tell you. Sometimes it happens that whatever they are telling you have just listened and you have just like it's okay, it will get sorted out. No, try to understand what they are in the shoe. Be in their shoe and try to understand what they are feeling right now and what they want from your partner. That will make you really clear that what your partner wants. Celebrate each other's success and failure and learn from them. Not only celebrate success but also celebrate failure. If you got a promotion, definitely you are going to celebrate. But if there is a failure or demotivation in your life in any form, then try to celebrate that also. Be with your partner, just go out for some walk or for some dinner or for a movie like that. Just celebrate and cheer them up. It will help you to understand your partner more well and it can make your ride more smoother in your relationship. There are times in a relationship that you both are fighting. So what you can do in times when you fight, just try to manage the differences in a proactive manner. Okay, try to find out, just don't fight. Just don't fight like a dog and cat. Just try to find out solution for that. Try to find out what you can do if this is a problem. Okay, just sit and talk and you can get a lot more solutions for that. Surprise each other. So how you can surprise your partner? There are things that your partner tells you and they wish that yes, we'll do it someday. Just make that happen. Just go for a trip. Just Give them a surprise that we are going for this trip. Go for a date. Go for a candlelight dinner. Go for a long drive or a long walk. Just surprise them each other, whatever is convenient to you and your partner. And most important thing is, be a friend to your partner. No matter what, a friend is a friend in need. So be a friend to your partner, so that at the end of the day, he or she can come to you and talk to you no matter what the thing is. For being a relationship, is really important to be friends. And whosoever starts with friend, their ride is really, really, really smooth. Okay, I hope these tips will help you and your partner to really go smooth in your relationship. I will be here next week with you, sharing some more tips on strengthening a relationship, and I'm also planning to share some movies that you and your partner can watch, that movies on how to strengthen relationship, which are available on Amazon Prime and Hotstar. I hope if you like this video, please like and share, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that when we upload a new video, you are get notified.